If you are just meeting me for the first time, my name is Mr. Afri, and I've been taking you on Photoshop tutorial from beginning to the end, at least for the basic, for the things you need to know. Your photo editing, your graphic design. As you can see on my screen, I'm working on a project. I'm making a design for someone, for a client. Okay, for the next session, let's dive into importing. For the first time, we introduce the software, we introduce your tools, we introduce the menu bar, your color aspects, your layers. Right now, let us dive into importation. So from our last file, we'll have this, where we start from the last time, last class. When you come here, like, let's create a new file from the formatting we do, last thing we do. Let's click on OK. If you have just changed this for the first time, please go and check out our last file. So now to import a video, to import a photo into this, or any graphics, anything you want to do, just come to this place under file. You'll see place embedded. Click on place embedded. You click on the file you want to import and then click place. It's going to place it for you. So that's one way of importing an image into your Photoshop. On this icon on top here, if you see it on top here, you can click this to say cancel it. Second way of importing is to go and look. That one is called drag and drop. You go and look for the photo where it is, or the image, anyone you want to locate where it is. And then let me go for the same. Okay, OS. I'll click on this and then drag it and go to my Photoshop and then drop it here. This is the way. So to complete this assignment, you just come here and click on this good, and it's going to place for you, so you can start working with it. If you want to use this as a background, you have it there. Now once you import this, if you come to this left hand side, you see what they call layers. In layers, anything you create new is going to come and create automatic layer for it. So from here, you come to layer aspects, you see the layer. Now the first one, the last one on the background that says background, that's the one you created from the beginning. This icon on the layer means lock. You can click on lock. Why do you need to lock a layer? It's because you don't want that layer to be moved. So now I've removed the lock, but I can come back on top of it towards the end of the layer. I can click that icon back. Now from there, I can't move it. If you watch, the image I imported can be moved. If I come to that place and click on this, I can no longer move it. It's now immovable because I've locked it. So in locking, it means that you can easily, once you lock a layer, anything important into the system, it means you can no longer move it. It's already there until you go back and unlock it. Now, if you see the other one, there's beside it is an eye, something that looks like eye. In every layer, something that looks like an eye. So by the side, you can off it and on it. That's what it means to toggle off the eye and then toggle it on. So you can off it and on it. So this is two ways of importing your footage.